Managers can automate creation of cards in Trello for new fold reports created in FacilityBot using a Zap template. To use this feature, log into your Zapier account. Click on Create New Zap. Select FacilityBot as the trigger that will start the Zap whenever something happens in the app. Connect your FacilityBot account. To do this, click Sign In. You will be asked to enter the API key. It can be found on Integrations, Zapier, on the FacilityBot portal. Once entered, click Yes Continue. Choose the action to be taken whenever the trigger occurs. Select Create New Board. You will then be asked to connect your Trello account. You may also customize the Zap using the Setup action. Click on Publish Zap once all required fields have been filled in. Once the Zap is published, Zapier will automatically create a new card in Trello whenever a new fault report is created in FacilityBot.